Gever, when it comes to an unusual scene, you don't see this every day. Ich stehe mit Zamvi, weil the coordinator fin.
Yedidim of Borough Park.
Yedidim of Borough Park. This is an organization. Bikes, tubes. Kijk wat dit zich doet. Yedidim, B35, members. Zoek eens wat dit zich doet. What's going on over here?
Basically, we gaan jaren halb terug op een gegeven organization in Borough Park. Was heist Yedidim Volunteer Bike Repair. Basically, in Yedidim, anyone was daar fixing a flat tire for a bike.
Hoeveel members hast du?
Ik heb 18 members.
18 members. What's so nice? How do you guys communicate?
So we have radios.
Radios?
Radio.
Ja, maar kijk. Told them about the radios. Geheerige radios.
Ja.
These are expensive radios.
Ja.
Hoeveel kost dat een stuk? It's not
$200.
Really? It's programmed, geheerig.
Ja.
Nice. Nice. Do a dispatcher? How does it work? I know the phone.
Yeah.
One of you guys in the phone.
En ze ringt ze mijn phone, ze ringt ze nog een pool geberen en mijn hoofd.
Whoever picks up first gets the call and you put the call on the radio.
System.
Nice. I
Yeah.
love this. So what's they call do?
This is a flat tire.
Einer grief not a flat tire, a kid has a flat tire. How do you guys schlep all this equipment? They say they also do geherig electric pumps? Is that an electric pump? Yes. Let me see if it's do. No way. Guys are pumping up a tire. Legit. But I love this concept. What made you think of this concept?
Ik ga je gedacht dat ze doen etwas was met af te brengen, was keiner hat nicht. So
Wow,
we got it here.
Wow, I love that
idea. Found it
idea.
in Rockland County.
I love the idea. It's a geschmack idea. Bucherem noch yeshiva. It's nice. What type of equipment do you guys have?
So, also, laat me roosten maar een beetje. So, as you see, the electric pump.
Ja, has a ganze equipment set.
Manual pumps.
A manual
pump. Tamara remember, the electric battery got schloffen. So, doen we met dit ganze alle sizes tubes, if you can see.
Wow. And you guys are free of charge? Come on, it costs geld tubes. How does that work?
So, in het verleden zijn $8 voor a tube, but we went down to 5 this week.
Really?
Yeah.
Mensen sponsoring?
Ja, mensen om sponsoren.
Nice. So the equipment gets sponsored and you come down for free.
Nog
the labor is free of charge, volunteer.
Yeah. So
Unreal.
Iedereen bekomt als a
the joint bekomt als a kit. I love it. I love it.
And whatever.
Wow. So what's the phone number to call? I know that emergency relief. What's the phone number?
So the phone number to call is 718-200-7273.
Okay.
Look hyped off our dispatcher.
Okay.
Depends now. Certain days there's the calls that get covered in the middle of the day, but there's certain calls that don't get covered in the middle of the day.
They have to wait till the bucher come up from yeshiva. This is my night.
Yeah.
I love it. We keep with the bike, shifa height, we park this, we keep to the call. Geherig. You guys are getting sweaters with vests eventually?
Nein.
Zoekst du an darf ich dir da?
Darf es nicht.
Darf ich die ganze
Kijk met de walnut alles
cool. Geherig, mit den titties.
It doesn't make a difference.
Mit titties was mit aftinen mit geit warten.
Yeah.
I love that idea. Look, when I was a kid, the bike broke, hast du gemitschit. Du gangst an store, noch hast du geschleppt, gemitschit. You call the phone number and they're there in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
Laat me then see the volunteer a minute. What am I to do? How long will you volunteer in this organization?
A year by now.
A year? Wie viele bikes hast du schon gefixt? Estimate a number, ich bin beirrig. Und wie viele bikes hast du schon gefixt?
Say around 75.
75 bikes. Wow, das kriegst du dabei stehen. Fine. Look what
So
the
yes, just to vragen hoeveel bikes ik ga schon gefixt. Okay, I probably fixed around 200 to 250 bikes.
50 bikes. First of all, du bist ein Bucher. Wie kannst du fixen bikes? How do you...
Ik ga bij Gaver, King Cycling.
Oh wow,
He
so a professional bike guy.
Professional guy.
And he trained your team,
Yes,
volunteers how to fix bikes.
He trained me in and we got it done.
Nice. So Kevin, if you want to sponsor the organization for a weekly lishmas, what's the phone number?
718-200-7273. Send a text. And in Zamara credit card machine, in Zamara alles.
Overgeset. You guys are opening up the Mushel.
So it's FME next coming Sunday in Bloemengrove.
Bloemengrove. What's with the Catskills in the summer?
So the Catskills in the summer is a big issue. If anyone's
but
willing to start,
camps,
if anyone is willing to start, I'm willing to take 2 in Galat and any bungalow colony, and we can cover that bungalow colony.
Nice. Okay. So Kevin, if anyone wants to open up a branch around the world, reach out to
Zamvi Welt.
Zamvi Welt. The phone number again is
718-200-7273.
Keep it up, Chazak. Vermots.